10 Best Ginger Beers for Moscow Mule in 2020, brought to you by Advanced Mixology. Ginger beer is a mandatory item to make Moscow Mule cocktail. Let's take a look at the best ginger beers in 2020. Check the links given in the description box below. With no sugar, sweeteners and artificial colorings, Xevia Mixer ginger beer is the sweetest deal in this market. Gosling's Stormy ginger beer is the most expensive ginger beer. If you want something spicy, the Great Jamaican ginger beer is the best to choose. Let's check our top 10 options. At number 10, we have Costin Press Sparkling Ginger Beer. The sweetness of this sparkling beverage comes only from the natural ingredients with no added artificial sweeteners and sugars. Xevia Mixer ginger beer is at number 9. It is good to drink alone or can be used as a cocktail mixer due to its mild carbonation and slightly citrusy flavor. At number 8, Main Root Spicy Ginger Brew. This non-alcoholic, caffeine-free soda is made with pure carbonated water, organic cane sugar and spices like anise, aside from the ginger. Cock and Bull ginger beer gets the 7th position. This is the ginger beer used to make the first Moscow Mule. We have Brooklyn Crafted Extra Spicy Ginger Beer at number 6. Instead of just fresh ginger, Brooklyn Crafted GB also contains ginger extract. At number 5, Bundaberg Ginger Beer Non-Alcoholic Beverage. These beers go through a double distillation and aging process, ensuring it is one of the best ginger beers in the market. At number 4, we have Fever Tree Premium Ginger Beer. The calories in this premium ginger beer comes only from carbohydrates. Reed's Extra Ginger Brew gets the 3rd position. The gingers used in Reed's ginger beer are imported from Peru, farmed in the Amazon rainforest. At number 2, Barts Original Ginger Beer. Designed to be a mixer, it brings out the ginger flavor in your cocktails, especially Moscow Mules. Q Drink's Spectacular Ginger Beer is the best ginger beer in 2020. With extra carbonation, it becomes a good cocktail mixer because carbonation helps to keep the cocktail fresh. You can buy any of these ginger beers by clicking on the links given in the video description below. Learn more about cocktails and liquors at our website, advancedmixology.com.